Happy Hurricane Day. And as you can see in that house back there, yeah, it's approximately 3:30.
On Tuesday the 14th.
Yeah, I guess the 14th. Yeah, that's right. Tuesday the 14th. And
Hurricane Floyd is about less than 24 hours away from us.
And it should be a pretty good storm. As you can see that house right there, it's all boarded up. A lot of these houses are. No, it actually looks kind of pretty. Oh, they're boarding up the house. Yeah, these houses right here, the ones are right by Jillington Creek. And so these are the ones that are in the mandatory evacuation, but for some reason, my parents don't want us to evacuate. They'd rather see us drown. Ooh, this is a good boarded up house. Right here. Yeah. And...
Taped up house?
Taped house. Doesn't seem like that much tape on the house is going to do too good. But... And up there, it's boarded. Okay, fine, the tape would help a lot. Keeps it from like shattering or something. Blah, 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 blah. Ooh, look at this house right there. These are some cautious people.
That was the Anderson's old house.
The Anderson's old house. He used to have a hottie living there, but not anymore. Actually, I have no clue who lives there. It could be a hottie and I don't know it. Now we're going down Arikari. Boarded. And this is a pretty odd job of boarding it, but it's still boarding right there.
Hey.
And
This. Oh, I wonder if they've ever been through a hurricane. We should call them and ask them what they did.
Describe how it's so nice and bright out now. It's squalling.
before, well, was it not teething? Teeming, excuse me.
Bobby,
it
was teeming.
It was teeming out before.
But it was
simply
glistening.
teeming.
But the sun was glistening.
And we had our crystal lamp glistening through the teeming rain. It was quite an exciting time. We had gustados earlier in Mandarin, and our house got swept away.
Not really.
And the dogs died.
Oh, the borderline.
And this one taped.
It's Nicole Stewart's old house. Okay.
Now this old man lives there, and it's really weird. He looks like one of those, you know, in The Simpsons when it's like, whenever they, you know, do a drawing of Matt Groening, well, that's who he looks like. You know, like the patch over his eye and like a cane. He's like, arr. Well, that's what he looks like. It was quite frightening. And we arrive at the Failer's house. Ooh.
And mom's car's gonna be hurting if that tree falls.
Right.
Well,
Hello, Jimmy.
hello.
Here we are on Happy Hurricane Day. Would you like to say a few words to the camera?
Part 2.
Happy Hurricane Day Part 2. But still on the first day of Happy Hurricane Day. With the latest news, we just found out that school was canceled on Thursday as well. So
Pretty cool.
we have a 3-part edition. Woo!
But the storm is turning slightly away.
Yeah, it's
Turning
not
slightly away.
Not going to be as bad as they thought it was a few hours
It's
ago.
category 1 or 2, I think, that's
Well,
going to hit us.
We'll get the hurricane force winds of category 1/2, which
But
there was a time where they thought it would come within 25 miles of Jacksonville. Now they're talking about 60 miles of Jacksonville. But nonetheless, we should get some.
it keeps fluctuating.
But it could fluctuate.
Wait, would you like to repeat that so you're on film? Turn around.
I said, but it keeps fluctuating. It could get worse.
That's true. So, give us your opinion on this, Dad.
My opinion on the storm is that nothing will ever penetrate our front windows because they're taped up so well.
We have to get a film of that later on.
Yes, we will, especially the right window. The precision and the exactness of that window
Right.
You need to
Something to behold.
you need to patent that design and hey, maybe I can get some work out of this deal.
Well, I guess that's all we
Right now
have time for.
we're going
this
to
month.
Publix right now if they're opened and see what's available, if anything. Go to Walmart maybe.
Exciting stuff.
Inspect a few homes.
And I think that's about it. So have a quick goodbye to the camera.
Bye, camera. We'll see you later.
Bye-bye. Oh well. Well, while we're stopping at this light, I will show you the park and ride. If I can get the camera over there. I don't think I can, but when we're passing. This is where you go on Jaguar days to park and ride. Publix is closed.
We are in Paul's store area. The firehouse, the warehouse, and Comtran is all boarded up. This place is like a ghost town right now. Yeah, it's 5:30 right now, rush hour. And yep, Pest Depot, front for drugs. Okay, and then we got San Jose here. Look at San Jose. Not a person around. Well, okay, well, there's a couple people around.
That's the one with Daniel, me, and Rebecca. Can't really see it from here that well. But it's Daniel, me, and Rebecca. You can see Daniel right now.
Whew, I think really zooms in. And here's a person next to us smoking.
Hey, if you guys want to have fun tonight, cops aren't going to be out anymore. We'll just zoom up and down the roads like 110, 120 miles an hour.
Out back.
We'll race the man.
And get the billboard.
Hooters.
I'm the one on the right.
There's Allison on the right.
Rebecca in the middle and Daniel on the left.
Oh. Yeah. And hey, go to Kmart. Let's go to Kmart. Everybody, we're going to Kmart. And there is an old Hardee's that went out of business a long time ago. They're not really closed to the hurricane. They're just out of business. Closed. Thanks.
So excited.
Okay, there's two.
Is it true, Ma? Ma, are we really going to Kmart? Woohoo!
Where are we
Put
going,
on your
guys?
Sunday best.
Going to Kmart.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! What's all they mean, boy?
What are you doing?
The same thing you do to me. Now,
The man in the van next to us has a big nose.
The man in the van.
this man in the SUV has no penis.
I have proof. Wait, no, he blows goats.
He blows goats. I have proof.
We should watch that tonight.
Okay. Okay. Let's have a Simpson marathon tonight.
Suppose they didn't take the traffic lights down. You know?
You know how much chaos that would cause?
No, they usually only
Yeah, last week when we had that other hurricane, they took them down.
Jim, haven't you seen when they take them down?
Right, Cindy.
Shut up.
Right, right.
Let's go to Kmart.
Look at all the people here.
Look at that. Guys, we're at Kmart.
We're here.
Daddy, I reckon I might find my wife today.
Oh, Cindy, roll up. Oh, turn the car back on. Turn the car back on.
Why are you filming rolling up the window?
You don't think that's fun? Okay, we're filming. We're filming going into Kmart.
I don't match on. I'm wearing white and gray socks. Oh no, two whites now. Never mind.
And I look like I've just been breastfeeding.
Look, Allison has been breastfeeding.
I hate you, Dad.
What really happened, I was holding a red popsicle in my hand, and I was laying down and I was holding it above me,
I get it.
and then all of a sudden it started dripping all over me. And
All over your left breast?
my right breast.
Oh, her right breast.
Win 10 more bucks.
What?
Are you filming now?
Right. Yeah, here we are shopping in Kmart.
We don't have a life.
Well, neither does anybody else here, Allison.
Doodle paper. Doodle paper.
You know what they're gonna think? Dad, I'll kill me so he doesn't lay out the soul later on when he comes back tonight.
Oh, you won 10 bucks the other day.
I did, that's why.
Do you know where that thing is?
Yes, my purse.
Now, I will admit this is a first for our family, filming in Kmart.
You know we do it
As long
every
as the
week.
microwave doesn't go out.
Do it.
It's only $4.
Dad, I just got a really good idea.
Do you
What?
have two, or do you only need the expensive kind?
If
Oh,
we
yeah,
if we turn your computer off, we can plug the microwave into the UPS.
And we can use it for 10 minutes. We can make
12
yeah.
minutes. Wait, no, with the microwave, it wouldn't use as much power as a computer.
Probably last for maybe 20 minutes.
25 minutes or so.
But only one time.
Mom, will you buy this for me?
25 minutes? Mom,
Dad?
25 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
Don't make fun of me, Dad. I'm not the one carrying the camera around
Mom.
Kmart.
I think we need this for tonight. The great onion machine. Why are you laughing?
Hey, how about a Wheel of Fortune watch?
Layaway restrooms.
We need to try these.
Well, get
It's milk chocolate chip.
Strawberry white Zinfandel?
Okay, here we are in Kmart. Let's go down here and see what we got. Ooh, tools. What?
I want to film now.
Now make sure you film important stuff like I did.
Okay.
Here we are.
Jimmy.
Okay. Oh. Benchtop 11-piece deep wrench, deep well socket set. On sale for $29.99. Only at Kmart. Okay, come with me.
We're not going to get in trouble for filming in here.
Allison, I'm the only one that's allowed to talk to camera. Okay, here we are. Welded. Like that?
This is what I think I need for my car.
Tweety. Oh, here's Taz. Here's Paul, Scooby-Doo.
Oh, that's cute.
Attention shopper, service desk is open when I'm waiting. Service desk is open when I'm waiting for checkout.
Oh, look, and here's Paul's name.
Huh? Uh-huh. Okay, come. Now here we are in the automotive accessory department. Now, I could use a new one of these.
Oh, look at that. Look at those strawberries. Look, Dad, it looks kind of like you, huh? Right there? Isn't that you?
Oh, they're using the picture of me again. I told them not to. Oh well.
And right there? I wish I knew where the still button on this camera was. Oh wait, and here's a little mirror, I think. Yeah, there's me. Hi.
Okay.
Okay,
I
and
think we've
I think this video is a little bit
too boring.
more
now.
boring than any other one we've ever had.
Okay. All right, why don't you stop it for a little bit, and we'll.
Okay, I think you guys have had a little too much excitement in watching this thing. So we'll leave you with some wheel magic.
Well, here we are leaving Kmart now. All our goodies we bought. The only store in Jacksonville that's open. Here's the boy. He's not wearing any underwear.
I don't know yet. I gotta talk to my parents because they might not want me to bail, but I might. If I show up, then I show up. Figure that we have Thursday off now. We can definitely do something like tomorrow after the storm, as long as there's not too much damage. You know, if my house blows over, I probably can't do anything tomorrow. But actually, if my house blows over, I probably can do something tomorrow. Yeah.
You know, the night that my house burnt down,
Teenager
Cool, man.
of the
I'll
90s.
get it
all
all
we
around
did
tonight.
was go out and buy toothbrushes.
And if I don't see it tonight, I'll probably see it sometime tomorrow. But
Hey, where did we go? Oh, we went to
Betsy's
Betsy's house that night.
back,
Who was that, Paul?
show kids.
Show kid?
He wants me to come sleep over tonight.
They don't come into our house?
I said he wants me to come sleep over tonight.
They don't come into our house.
Oh my god, we're back again. There's some of those toys.
We are now leaving the Big K. And after that exciting experience, we're gonna need a little break for a while because we're a little too overexcited, let me tell you. We usually don't get out like this, and so when we do, it's sometimes a little too exciting.
You see Pep Boys over there?
And wait. Over there we have Pet Boys, all boarded up. This is the store that I have my all-famous Betty Boop thing in there. But I don't know, it might be sold already, but we're hoping it's not, so I can get that for my room, because it would be absolutely wonderful.
No, it's go
And
straight.
here, oh, it's not there anymore. They must have moved it because of the hurricane. But that's where tropical snow usually is. Now we look at the empty lot.
Zoom in on my empty wallet. Oh, no.
It's just like it was like, we're here by the empty lot, blah, 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 but I don't know the exact words. And
We
whatever.
better start cooking right when we get home.
Ingredients: sugar and artificial color. Hey, but it's no fat.
Kind of like that sugar spray stuff. It was
I don't know how you
0
make it.
calories.
It's gotta be a different kind of sugar.
Because you can't do regular sugar.
Well, I'll catch you guys later.
They call it
The lights spreading well. Traffic lights.
a
Stand
turn, Mom.
Stand up. Someone good in Old St. Augustine.
I don't know what I'm doing right now. We have been at this light now for a long time.
We just left Kmart.
We're starting to get quite. Oh, here we go.
Kmart's going. We're going home now. Kmart was the only place open.
It's getting windy.
How you guys doing?
And coming up at this Christ Church right here, that is where I was. I found out John and Kennedy had passed on. So I'll have a moment of silence for them. But that note I gave you,
The roof of so yeah, exactly. Back at the homestead after our great trip from where did we go? Kmart. Anyway, look at the tape job.
zoom in on
Now-
the right window.
Zoom in on my empty wall. Now look at the tape job. There's the left side, there's the right middle side, and there is the infamous right side. Look at that. Look at the tape job. Ah! I'm standing in an impile.
Back them off.
Ow, 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 ow.
Are they off? Take the shoe off. Yeah, take the shoe off. They're still all over your shoe. That one.
Did you get that on film?
I think so.
Are you still filming?
Yes. There, look where I was. You look at that son of a.
Are we all laughing? Oh my gosh.
Ow! Whew.
Zoom in on his empty shoes.
Empty.
Okay. Okay. Let's go watch Wayne's World.
You okay, Dad?
Yeah. Alright. Okay. Well, it has to, huh?
Cotton candy's left in the car.
Well, because I was getting. Did you lock the car up?
Yeah?
He got bit by ants, Mom.
So?
Oh.
Cotton candy around.
Man, that hurt.
I dropped one of your shoes.
You gotta open the door?
I thought I did.
Man, that hurt. Look at the tape job.
I was getting him back making fun of you.
Come on, Hurricane Floyd. You won't penetrate these windows, baby. Oh yeah, check out the tile. A little light, maybe? We're getting ready to retile.
Hi, it's Rebecca. Can I call your TM 6 by
Back out.
Should I give her a ring?
Don't call her.
No.
Creed up to 400.
Don't call
Did you
her.
get 2 for 6?
4 calls.
4 calls.
2 calls.
Well, the thing said 4 calls.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
Well, that one.
Mark.
Did.
was not holding. I'm growing hair, and my armpits smell, and there's a constant circus in my pants.
Our old man is becoming a boy.
No, serious, the seal's broken, and I'm losing oil. Look at this.
What is it? It's a nipple.
Hi, Daddy.
But until we figure it out,
What are you guys doing?
maybe you should sleep
This is what we do on hurricane nights.
Don't film me.
I won't film you. Filming all these pieces. Oh, that piece right there
Watch. Watch.
goes
Oh,
there.
look at this piece I just found. Oh my goodness.
You're amazing.
I'm a genius. Here we are on the way to Lala's house. Let's get a shot of the cake.
Happy birthday, Lala. So wonderfully decorated and cooked by Allison Failer
Give me five.
and Rebecca Shorsty.
Woo! Okay, and today technically isn't her birthday. It was actually yesterday.
But we had a hurricane yesterday.
Aww.
But we will be happily celebrating today because today is our very happy day towards Lala. Happy birthday.
Happy.
Mwah, we love you.
And there's our driver, Daniel, but we request him to keep his eye on the road and not the camera.
Oh, sorry.
And there's the back of Paul's head. He's kind of mad at me right now because
Because you're,
What was it?
it's a
RSW.
No, wait, it's
Really
a,
sexy.
oh, GFW.
R-
Wait, that's a sex for
really
you.
sexy for.
Okay, well, we're on our
Wait, we
way.
gotta show her. Wait, show her her present. Or she
Okay.
might see this before. This is your birthday present, which
We
obviously.
didn't wrap it. Ooh. Wait, let's zoom in on Lala.
La la la.
Okay, it didn't focus at all, but
Focus. 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 Okay, next we have.
and let's see what else we have in store.
We're
for
gonna
her.
get you really bad this morning because look what we have. We have
Wait,
water
first,
guns. Dun, 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 dun,
and we
dun,
also
dun.
have party hats.
But we also have.
Are you gonna do this?
Oh my god. But that's for later. When we wake you up.
So we'll talk to you later. We're on our way to pick up Ellen now. Bye bye.
We love you.
Hey, Ellen.
Hi, Allison.
Where are we going this morning, Ellen?
We're going to Lauren's house because it's her birthday.
Would you like to sing her happy birthday?
Not really on the camera. If Rebecca would do it with me. Yeah, well, let's sing it when everyone gets
just
here so
wish
it'll
her-
drown out all of our voices.
Wish her a very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lauren.
Okay, bye-bye.
Here we are at the site of the birthday kidnapping. We must be quiet. She cannot hear us. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. What happened to the plan? Yeah, you do stink. Happy birthday! Wait for her to get out.
I have no shorts on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lala. Happy birthday to you. Oh, there you go. What's that? Just happy to see us.
Oh, what?
It was Allison trying to peek really bad. That can out sometime.
You guys are kind of mean. That's gotta suck.
I think you guys woke her up.
I think she's awake now. I'm not sure though.
I don't think she's awake yet. Ready?
Okay, guys, ready? Now wake her up with something else.
Okay, you have 30 seconds to get ready. We'll leave you, and then you're up. Then you're ours for the day.
29 seconds. 29. 28. 27.
She's in there, not in here.
She's in here. I'm not here. No, he's not.
I wonder if she heard you.
Is Lauren in there? She ready to come out yet?
Keep your pajamas on or else we'll
Tell her we're leaving.
Okay, we'll see you later, Lauren. We're gonna go out for breakfast now. Bye. There's some really hot guys out here waiting for you.
What?
Yeah.
Hey, Morgan.
They're so sexy.
Nice shoes. Nice shoes. Wait, they don't have shoes.
Second, maybe.
Hey, Lauren, happy birthday!
I love you guys.
Hey Lauren, for your birthday I couldn't get anything, so I'm gonna give you a list of funny words and funny voices. It's an inside joke for anybody who's inside.
Yeah.
All right. Wait, we have to see the card.
Oh.
Let's see the card.
Get to read it. Hold on.
Happy birthday from one hot babe.
That was meant for me. I didn't even know it.
Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside.
Oh, sure. That's really good. You already tried it.
Tri-color. Ellen's dyeing her hair brown. Hey, frisbee golf is a sport. We're still hot babes. Zoom in.
Now, Lauren, I know it wasn't a Speedo,
My
but
hand's
we're
shaking.
working on it.
Well, let's have one last look at the car, and then we'll catch up to you again in Village Inn. See you later. Bye bye.
You got socks?
There.
Hi. Hey.
Happy birthday, Marcel.
What do you have?
Happy birthday, Lauren.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lauren.
Don't you love birthdays?
Look out! Drove over there. Here, here, here.